Veganuary, day 17. Today we're making chocolate zucchini muffins. Delicious and healthy because they have veggies in them. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Coat a muffin pan lightly with oil. In a large bowl, add 375 milliliters of all-purpose flour, 125 milliliters of cocoa powder, 5 milliliters of baking powder, and 2 milliliters of salt. And whisk together. In another medium bowl, whisk together 250 milliliters of oat milk, 125 milliliters of vegetable oil, 180 milliliters of sugar, 30 milliliters of chia seeds, and 5 milliliters of vanilla, and mix until smooth. Grate one zucchini and lightly squeeze excess water out. You should have 250 milliliters lightly packed. Then stir this into the wet ingredient. Add the wet mixture to the bowl with the dry ingredients and stir until just combined, being super careful not to overbeat. Fold in 180 milliliters of vegan chocolate chips. I'm gonna use Camino. I really love this brand of chocolate chips. Just save like a handful for the top. Divide the batter among the muffin cups, filling about 3/4 of the way full. Yummy! I can eat it because it's not egg. Now I'm gonna sprinkle with the extra chips I saved. Bake for 20 to 23 minutes or until a knife inserted in the middle comes out clean. Let it cool in the pan for about 5 minutes, for real this time. Then transfer to the cooling rack. I'm gonna try to keep enough to do one a day for school next week. I'm also interviewing a special guest about school lunches and vegan donut economics, so don't forget to subscribe. All right, let's try it. Oh my gosh, that's so good. That's so good.